Hi friends, welcome back to Techie Networks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove all the configuration in Cisco Catalyst 3850 switches. Log into the switch, enter the command show running config. That will give you the configuration of the switch. Cisco has introduced a command erase startup config. Using the command, you can erase all the configuration in the switch. Type erase in the privileged mode and do the question mark. That will give you an option startup config as an optional command. Now you can enter erase startup config in the privileged mode and enter. It will ask your confirmation to remove all the configuration files in the environment. Just to enter. Don't think the configuration will be erased immediately after enter the command. You have to reboot the switch to take the changes in effect. This single command will erase all the configurations including your VLAN configuration. There is no special command required to remove the VLAN configuration. Just reload the switch to erase all the configuration in the switch. Type reload command in the privileged mode and enter. It will be asking your confirmation to reload. Just click enter. The reload will take few minutes. You have to wait. After switch reboots, you will get an initial configuration dialog. Just click no, enter, and you can terminate the auto install by enter yes. Once you entered yes, it will take few seconds to initialize the switch. You have to wait. Enter enable, go to the privilege mode, type show running config. You can see the default running configuration. There is no previous configuration. All the configuration has been erased. Just type show VLAN. You can see the default VLANs. There is no previous VLANs. All the VLANs has been removed. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe.